where we can start using smart algorithms, start using best practice to really predict and forecast the need for specific APIs to create these molecules. So I think the area I would like to focus on is actually, and this is something that you're seeing globally from a lot of companies, is out of stock situations, right? We see this a lot specifically on the generic side where, certain manufacturers are out of stock on a medicine. I think on the manufacturing side, I think there could be more of a collaboration. And again, a lot of companies are doing this, but we're not there yet, where we can start using, smart algorithms, start using, best practice to really predict and forecast the need for specific APIs to create these molecules, the need to get certain stockpiled of drugs and make sure we don't have out of stock issues where patients are not able to get their drugs. I think on the manufacturing side, this is one thing I would focus on to self-see, just because that's where my passion is getting medicines to patients. But how can we better forecast the manufacturing of these medicines to align with the commercial needs, if that makes sense?
Do you think this data and this analysis, on what level will it be done? It will be more AI data? Will it be data analysts that will sit and do those evaluations?
I think it comes down to the people creating the right algorithms, right? In regards to really understanding what are we trying to solve for, right? And as you know, there's a lot of geopolitical and things that we just cannot control. But I mean, if you look at data science in general, these are things potentially you can hedge for and risk, right? So I think there will be an emergence of really the power of data. If you remember when I originally started this conversation, right, it starts obviously on customer experience transformation, but then data and automation. And I truly feel that in the next 10 years, as it has been, but there will be even more of a focus on the data side, and specifically for manufacturing in regards to how do we manage stock more effectively.